What's up, guys? I'm probably not going to get a chance to stream today, so I wanted to make a quick video just updating you all on the progress of my RWM project. If you haven't been able to catch the last couple of live streams, RWM is my port of DWM, the window manager I use, to Rust. And for a little bit more background, I originally tried writing this just as a line-for-line port from the C code that DWM is written in to Rust. And I basically caused some bugs that were really difficult to track down. So in the first live stream, which I'll link down below, we were trying to use bindgen to generate bindings to the DWM C code itself so that we could actually call the original DWM functions in Rust. And so that's what we're looking at here. You can see in my Rust focus function, I'm actually calling into the C version right here. And so I flagged a bunch of functions like this as dummies because we have a Rust function, but it basically just calls directly into C. So the reason that, in addition to not having much time this weekend, I also think I'm in quite a boring phase of the project where basically I'm just going through all of these functions that I flagged dummy this morning and also some other ones that are just completely commented out. And basically just not even actually doing the translation, just basically updating it to the current version. Because I left all this old commented stuff out from my first draft of the project. So yeah, I'm basically just going through uncommenting functions, recompiling, shutting down Emacs, restarting the window manager to see if I broke anything. So if you really want to see me do that on stream, like I did in the last stream, and you didn't get enough in that 4-hour stream, let me know in the comments down below. But basically I think it's boring to watch, and it's also kind of boring for me to do. So what I've been doing is just kind of chipping away at this. Maybe, if we look at the commit log, you can see I did a few functions a couple hours ago, and then I did a few in the evenings this week. So I'm basically just, again, going through these, commenting them out, updating them slightly, for example, to use a little bit of the C stuff, most of the C global variables, instead of passing stuff around, and then yeah, just repeating that and recursing into the functions. So if I expand this, for example, and then it calls into some other functions, yeah, just keep recursing. So that's why not too much going on. If you want to see constant updates, just keep an eye on the GitHub. And going forward, I think the next thing I'm really excited to stream will be either like the removal of the C code entirely. So that's kind of a big step where we get everything back into Rust. That'll be really nice. And then the part immediately after that, basically, that I'm really excited for is trying to put a safe Rust interface onto the code, because as you'll see, basically all of these functions immediately contain an unsafe block, and all of the code after that is inside of it. So at some point we do want to put a safe API around that. At least that's my plan right now. Yeah, so there's the update. As I said, if you want to see the progress so far and get a flavor for what I've been doing again in the evenings, just take a look at the last live stream. Other than that, I guess also, yes, I should thank my newest channel member. So I, unless it's just a very, very big coincidence, I know who you are in real life, and I really appreciate it, man. Thank you for joining the channel. So with that, I think I can leave it there. And again, keep an eye on the GitHub for the changes I'm making so far. The project still builds. I mean, I'm in it right now. So if you want to give it a try, also go for it. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.